How's it going? Carl here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys real quick how to crop on DaVinci Resolve. If you haven't learned that, if you just downloaded DaVinci and you're trying to figure out how do I crop my videos, I'm going to show you in this quick tutorial how to crop, how to transform, and how to do a dynamic zoom. So first thing first, you go ahead and import your video. You file, import media, and then you should have your video. Once you get your video imported, you drop it down to this. And a lot of people get confused as soon as they get started with this. So I'll just show you guys very quick some ways you can change your interface. So if you come down here at the bottom, you see you have there's different views that you can select from. And if you feel like you're just stuck in this view, I think this is the default view. This is the quick way to go ahead and get out of that, and you can change a lot of your views here. So it gives you a range of ways to kind of navigate around. So this is the view we're going to go with for cropping the video. So first thing you want to do is find this right here, this drop down. And when you go to this drop down, you're going to see transform, crop, and dynamic zoom. What we're going to be focused on today is those three. So first and foremost, transform. If you want to go ahead and transform this video, you have another video that you want to stack onto it. The way you do that is you click on transform, and then now you can transform this video, move it around, and do things like that. And we're just going to go with Control Z to get this back normal. Next, we're going to go into crop. So when you crop, you just go ahead and select crop. Weirdly enough, once you click crop, you can start cropping it down like so, and then you just kind of use this window to get it to where you want it to be cropped. For whatever reason, this thing started acting wonky on me, and it may be acting like that on you, but it may be acting just fine, just depending on what's going on with your software. But for mine, it's acting inverted. So either way, that's how you crop. You can also come here to inspector, and this is another way you can also do those things, but we'll get into those later. So let's just undo those crops, get it back to where it's going. Just keep in mind whenever you start to transform that you're gonna mess up your resolution. The last thing we're going to talk about is dynamic zoom. And dynamic zoom is simply that, you're really not cropping or changing anything on your video. You're just saying, hey, I want to zoom in here as this plays. And then if you go ahead and click play, you'll see that it will zoom. And then that's how you use that dynamic zoom. So that's a pretty cool way you can use that feature. Like I said, for the sake of the video, we'll just undo. Really didn't damage or harm anything in that regard. So we'll just get it back to how we want it. Alright, and like I said, you can also do those things by coming over here to inspector. You can do transform, which is here. You can also do cropping, which is here. You just click it one time and it'll start changing it up, and then if you want to do your dynamic zoom, you can do that there as well. So that is that quick tutorial to show you guys how that stuff works. If you guys like these videos, make sure you leave a comment down in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Let's continue to learn on the go as we grow. It's Carl Huff. Peace.